Have you ever dreamed of a place where time slows down, where the air smells like earth and peace, and life is lived close to nature? Welcome to a village in Uttar Pradesh, the heartland of India. Today, we take you on a journey that's raw, real, and deeply rooted in culture and tradition. Uttar Pradesh, India's most populous state, is known for its cities like Lucknow, Varanasi, and Agra. But its soul, it lives in the villages, where over 70% of the state's population still resides. And these villages are not just settlements. They are living museums of India's ancient traditions, timeless values, and colorful culture. In every village, the elders are the storytellers. They narrate tales of bravery, love, and myth from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. And when they speak, even the wind seems to stop and listen. Evenings are, well, pretty special in a village. Men gather at the Shopal, that shared meeting space, to talk about everything from politics to the weather, all while sipping on endless cups of chai. Education is rising too. Village schools might not have all the fancy infrastructure, but oh, they're full of dreams. Young minds here are dreaming of becoming doctors, engineers, and leaders, all while staying rooted in their traditions. So, what makes a village in Uttar Pradesh truly special? It's not just the scenery or the age-old customs or even the delicious food. It's the people, warm, welcoming, and wise. They may not have towering buildings or smooth highways, but they've got something far more meaningful: culture, community, and a deep sense of contentment. And today, these villages are evolving. With better roads, digital access, and growing education, the youth are blending the old with the new. Modern minds with traditional hearts. A village in Uttar Pradesh isn't just a pin on a map, it's truly India's heartbeat. It reminds us that happiness doesn't come from luxury, but from community, simplicity, and a whole lot of love. So, the next time you hear the gentle call of the countryside, don't brush it off. Come, spend a day in a UP village, and who knows, you might just discover a part of yourself you never even knew was missing.